Good morning. I want to show you this crazy view. We just crossed the Continental Divide into Wyoming. We're headed to Debois to see our friend, but on our drive this morning, this is what we get to look at.
Stunning.
It's just so beautiful here. Just had to show you guys.
So unique.
It is. Yeah, it looks like a castle up there almost. This is probably a little too far away to see, but on this camera, but in person, I'm just gonna tell you, this is like 100 times more spectacular. Yeah, it's wild.
It reminds me of the what's that national park, national monument?
Oh yeah, Chiricahua.
Chiricahua.
Yeah.
Reminds me of that.
Amazing. Anyway, yeah, into Debois today. We're gonna spend a few days there with our friend, and then head a little bit further east. Not very fast though. There's some amazing boondocking opportunities, so we're gonna dig into that a little bit. Roadside pullout, so we had to check it out. Hack Memorial, is that what it was called?
Erected to perpetuate the memory of the Hardywoods and Rivermen who made and delivered the cross ties for the building and maintenance of the Chicago and Northwestern Railway in this western country. Wyoming Tie and Timber Company, 1946.
Check this view out. Stunning. Good morning. So we've been in Debois, Wyoming for a couple days visiting our friend Dave, and we're just pulling out of, yes, another Dave. We've just been pulling out of his driveway, heading out today, but this is, it's just spectacular scenery. I'm really loving Wyoming.
Yeah.
Are you loving Wyoming?
I am. It's maybe because we like being away from the crowds.
It's the least populated state. I guess I'm not saying that right. Population.
There's not many people in Wyoming.
Versus square miles or whatever. Yeah. Love it.
Yeah.
It's just stunning.
In his house we've been staying at, it's at about 8,100 plus feet.
Yeah.
So we went for some runs.
Oh, and I did some workouts. Oof.
There's no air up here.
It's tough.
We've been on the beach too long.
Yeah, my muscles are like,
But now we're gonna go see some more scenic parts of Wyoming.
Yes, but before we head out of Debois, I gotta show you a jackalope. Ooh, we got some antelope.
Half a dozen.
They don't really care too much about us, do they? It's been chilly mornings. I think it dropped into the 30s last night. We just gotta bundle the girl up. She got her sweatshirt on.
Gotta get down to some lower elevation.
She's ready to cruise. I know, but these views are just too stunning up here. There it is. Giant jackalope. There it is. Giant jackalope. This is amazing. Bye-bye, Debois. We are headed to Riverton, Wyoming today. We're gonna restock on stuff, get some groceries, and then we're going to share a very scenic route with you. But yep, on the way to Riverton. More antelope. do you think, Crystal? She loves getting gas because she always gets a goodie at the window. Dave keeps treats in the door, so every time we pull up, she gets a little something. So we made it to Riverton, and we actually just booked. We were looking around at places to stay. We didn't want to end up at the Walmart. And we didn't want to drive too much further today, actually. So we actually just booked a harvest host for the night, and it is a farm, so I'm pretty excited about that. Maybe we can get some eggs. I don't know what all they have. But through the Harvest Host app, they took same-day reservation. So we just did that. It's already past noon, and it was like immediately approved. So that was pretty exciting. The same-day reservation places work well for us because we don't really know if we're going to be near one or not, so we never plan ahead to stay at one. So really liking the same-day reservation option for some of the places. But anyway, this is just up near Shoshone, Wyoming. So that's we are headed to Walmart to restock on some supplies, and then we will be headed directly to the farm. Pistol, will there be any farm animals you could say hi to? Maybe. Okay, we're just a couple miles from the Harvest Host. We turned on to Hidden Valley Road here.
So we're staying on a ranch on Hidden Valley?
We are staying on a ranch on Hidden Valley Road.
Hidden Valley Ranch.
They should make some killer salads.
Jarvis is the name of the...
Yeah, Jarvis Family Farm. And it looks like from reviews, people have picked raspberries and bought eggs and jam. There's a little store there, I guess. So let's see what it's about.
Other one's here.
Okay, Dave got instructions. He went to the house and knocked on the door, and Kathleen came. Super nice.
So I'll show you where to go.
Okay.
The other side of the bushes.
Okay, so on the other side of
here. There's a dirt road that goes all the way down the end. Just so you can just back up all the way or wherever you want. I'll be all alone. You can park right in the road.
Oh, cool. Oh, here comes a farm doggy. You look pretty soft and friendly. You smell my puppy? Yeah. They had you pick raspberries, so we did that. And we were gonna rinse them off in the outdoor shower. You need a raspberry? Let me see. How about this? Here, baby. Is that good? Oh, good girl. She likes berries. Okay, let's rinse.
That'll do it, huh?
That'll do
Let's
it.
get the dust off them.
Yeah.
How about we make some dessert with us?
Yeah, let's do that. Our hard-earned berry dessert. Oh, Pistol.
Oh boy.
You gotta get down.
Oh my God.
But we're also, so what we're gonna do is, I think, smush up banana.
It needs smushed.
Yeah, we need to
It's
eat
old.
that. And then raspberries that we just picked. And then I actually have some blackberries from Oregon that I had in the freezer that I pulled out a couple days ago. So we need to eat some of those as well. So we're just gonna mix all this together, and then I've got whipped cream.
All right, so smush the banana.
Yeah, I think so. Smush my banana.
I will always smush your banana.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
a little bit of both.
Yeah, I think so.
Mix them up. Oh, juice.
Juice is good. Oh, I need a little more. There we go. Okay. Oh no, she was drooling. Oh no. Pistol. Okay, I gotta get rid of this fork though.
Alright, I'm gonna mix it all up here.
What's not to love about that? Yeah? This has been a successful harvest house. I would definitely recommend this. Jarvis Family Farm.
Awesome place.
In Shoshone, Wyoming. From here, we're going to go up into the mountains, so stay tuned for a very scenic drive through the mountains. Bighorn of, I think, right? Bighorn Mountains.
I think so.
Of Wyoming. So we'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.